abusia me de Kasatintin na ohwe Kasatintin TV summary de ye call ho Fiave voter region ahona abranti bi akodi enyamransem bi ono nkasa ne girlfriend omani film paso pa obon komode paso pa no wakoku no na wakoku no wie no otwitwa no de na hye fridge sa ensemu yi police for edi akiri Kasatintin TV so yesu edi akiri ene edi ehon nsem embro summary de enim fa sansem hunu bia no edi bro sisi enti se wadwane yama nko ba bia aha Kasatintin TV mene Kasatintin mene Ghana konkonsan na general se nene di kan ofesa channel we ya hwiri na sa choba bi subscribe click sa subscribe to so dem ba presa no ma no so de bia edi video ba bia woni first person usabeka afa nsu di komo no kasatintin.com follow on Facebook Kasatintin TV Instagram see Kasatintin_TV sana meka no samre ye call ho Fiave Kobe voter region na abrantie bi one ho lengelengelengen young guy bi o one ne girlfriend ho no you see one ne girlfriend just say who say guy ni twam a na say girl no so di akiri so girl no so abi twam di see ya na say boy no e di akiri na say kromo de obi anim say mo twempena pa chepa yi na boy the Emmanuel ebisu friend Frank ni people akọ according to police report no and as a police investigation preliminary investigation no boy kutadin bebre yesi ofi Togo na so abetena Ghana enti o voter region when on the plan your friend Lizzy atepa na amafo say omodo no efepa yi say boy ne kwadwuma aya girl no so edinachi no koboa no boy ne adwuma ho hotel bi pa hotel on no boy ne pa ne efepa adwuma so girl no timi ko koboa no sanse edo ododo no na nkrasa say nsaka e Kasatintin TV ni say Friday na girl no kwasra boy no woni fie enti weekend is a weekend rendezvous omkoji omani is omkokra na according to eyewitness no na just omfififi omha no okwan na boy no kra the girl no shachire is omudi agro pa yi na yamanfo anika is omodon de efepa is hu so omon nam a wan hwe a better feelings ama wakoye nia enye because omutimi do ma na efepa enti Friday no na omumienu yese omukufi tom kofi no ade achinya Frank any dem hono moko otu kwan we direct say wetu afi dem hono na if you force na Frank de bia no weekend de oha na onu ge ban so de bia hu say bia mba ni waduane wa bonten na so na de omumedware krampo ede na si na neighbors no na say the co-tenant no mo fi obi no ka so sade ne omukobo Frank dem bom na edano yatum na omu speki na omukwaji wo fiera no hono ni fiera no ebie pro no omu bie ya omukoto say abayiwa ye friend no Elizabeth Mundenda we Zambia no ofi Zambia ona Frank ekunu ehye ni deep freezer is a freezer onu aduane ne edi nsogum no twitwa gei na odina ashim asem no ayehu pa yi ye wo exclusive video ma pa e wo ha no omukoto so abrana girl no da fridge honum no efiofo akasa omukoto so abrana Frank edi girl no share fridge muzu no ni na yo hu video police fo so akasa ye video ni nya wo ha wo Kasatintin TV hanum na sa no yenkotie efiofo no do mu hu fa sa asem hu na yenkomra e be service here
is something who die man so I just want to take my spray and spray the room and I quickly off. You see that some flies are in the window, so they suspect that maybe something for the room. So as I came here, the people all follow me into the porch. So we went there. I called my mom. And my mom told me that Mr. Frank came and took the spare key from him. Sunday.
That's the suspect.
So, yeah, Sunday. Okay. He came to my mom and took the spare key. So as he took the spare key, there is no more key again. So they might work people to.
So it could be that because the body was in, that's why he took the key away.
So actually,
let me interrupt. on Sunday, my mom I finished washing and it was kind of late, so I couldn't go to church. So upon dressing, when I finished washing, my mom called me to come and zip her clothes. Yeah. So when I was zipping the clothes, I realized that someone knocked the door. Yeah. So because my mom wasn't dressed well, so I came out. Okay. So I came to approach the suspect, which is Frank, at the entrance, and he was like, for some time now, his door had a problem. Yeah. So we broke it, so it's still having that problem. So he was like, the key isn't picking up the switch well. Yeah. So it's kind of hardened. Yeah. So I should kindly, actually the key is kind of 6. So we shared it among us. My mom having some, I have some. So that in case anything, we can just give it up. So he came for Mike on Sunday. That moment he came and then he went to try. Okay. Within some few minutes, about just a second, then he came back. That my mom should hand over her own to her. So because my mom was also late, she was like, oh, okay. Then she just went and then picked the key and then gave it something who.
It's a if you're one be now, moti or mokasa no. No much you say. Frank, just say, na according to Omono, na o dino spare key, but obejini nefi if you are no honum. Na yenim se bia na o adwempo bi, enu chi na o yes ade ya yenim. Enti oji spare key ni se na be ya bia obi ntimi nkodem honum. Enko hu se wa bibisa. Na asemu police force so omote sa no whole police regional police command omote sa no so no omadwetwe mo na se kra samrei mo na ye ntentem wo Fiave honom asem ni see ya pe no muduru honom na de omko hu ye no se wani omo se samrei omo ado asem ni sukopa na omanya lead and also omanya information a ometimi di achi baby ya Frank and asa Emmanuel akra ne din address bebrebe omo umbechi no pa eti almost public ni say omumama intimi enchi Frank and asa Emmanuel baby wo bia no na yenyina yemu na omunche Frank omo say omo do mayihwemu pa na information omo no definitely Frank and asa Emmanuel obetimi adwane ba wantimi hide it forever. Right? That is, he can run but he cannot hide forever. Eti police for etu an more ye pa almost say Elizabeth woni de eyo mo ye pa na omutu an mo yentie police for no esemo mo kan abana Kasatintin TV ye no mo bon komo no yentie bi.
It's the prime suspect in this murder continues unabated. And again, we have been able to contact the employees of the suspect. Initially, we had information that both of them were employees of the said hotel, but police investigation tell otherwise. From the hotel where we visited, it is only the gentleman, that is the suspect in this case, who happens to be an employee. But the lady usually joins him, to work anytime because she virtually had nothing to do. And so she's also known to the employers. We've also been able to establish contact with the family of the lady far away in Zambia. And we are in touch with some relatives, specifically a sister and a brother. Again, we have also noticed or detected that the suspect in this case has multiple names. From the hotel, he is known as Emmanuel. Then again, from the home, that's a neighborhood, they also know him as Frank, which was earlier, circulated or published. Then again, we are also learning from documents that the police have picked up that he is also known as Fiave Kosi Augustine. So it looks like he has a number of names. For what reason, the police is yet to find out. But I still want to assure members of the public that, as we have earlier indicated, though he may be running for now, he cannot hide forever. We would continue to ask members of the public, as we have done. We have shared photos that we have been able to get from the crime scene and other places where the public will also support us in reaching the suspect who is on the run. We've also done a number of contacts where, for the purposes of investigation, it will not be ideal for the police to put out there. And so we want to assure, the Volta region and also the residents of the whole Fiave that looking at the work we are doing with the crime officer specifically involved in this particular case, we hope to at least make some successes in no time to come.
So, when we visited,
police for now to Moncano, we show my year. Sir, and Simu Abra. Acquire a friend of Frank, and answer Emmanuel. Nidim be what the cocoon, the girlfriend, our whole Fiave. And no much you say. Omu, some may or more information pa na Omugu Swap Frank. Nemum, ya in public, and I said to him for no more moment minche, Frank baby will be a no. Minimum say, who information be about me that come up, please now, omit me, achi, Frank, fast. Na, cause in some money, no. Ahudri pa abusia ye den common besia no ye de ye negu sa nsem yechi de besia che bia no Kasatintin TV ye ma waso nsi wo ho ye de bebre wo hanom se na ndedi kan wo hwe sa channel we ya video na sa chobe subscribe click sa subscribe button so adom beba press that man so de bia de sa video no be bia no ana say exclusive details no be bia oni ipa odi kan wo sa beka afi nsu edu common blog kasatintin.com I want so information in beto no kasatintin.com. Follow your Facebook and I say like your page, Facebook aye Kasatintin TV. Instagram see Kasatintin_TV. Mede de Kasatintin. Make sure so bell like and share video na obi onye bi nhwe bia ne bia hwe. Afen so for adwenkyere bra. De wadwen ye wo ho sa nsem ye a ye da bre ho. Ba wadwenkyere bra. Ko comment section no ase e wo video ye ase. Na for adwenkyere bra na yen kinkan ma won nkomo no nye de pa. Mede Kasatintin ye be say share. Bye bye.